Ready to dive into the Solana ecosystem, but unsure how to snag some SOL using Solflare Wallet? Let's unlock the secrets in just a few simple steps. First things first, if you haven't already, download the Solflare Wallet app from your device's app store. It's your gateway to the Solana blockchain. Open the app and choose to create a new wallet. Securely store your seed phrase €. This is absolutely crucial for recovering your funds if something happens to your device. Treat it like gold. Now, tap the receive button, and then select Solana. This will display your unique Solana address. Copy this address. Head over to your preferred cryptocurrency exchange where you already own crypto, like Coinbase or Binance. Navigate to the withdrawal section and paste your Solflare Solana address. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Back in Solflare Wallet, give it a few minutes. You'll see your Solana arrive, and your balance will update accordingly. Congratulations, you now have Sol securely stored in your Solflare Wallet. Ready to explore the world of Solana dApps and DeFi? The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Solana guides.